Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is your English instructor Kashif Mahmood. I hope you are fine. Today we have reached at B lift number 40. So let's move. What is B lift number 40? Engage in extended discussions and debates taking into account other speakers' viewpoints and presenting one's own with clarity and coherence. This is about the extended discussions. It means if you are in discussion and your discussions are prolonged and you are in debates, when are you in debate, you should consider, take into account, mean consider other speakers' viewpoints and other speakers' viewpoints taking, then present your own ideas with clarity and coherence. Dear learners, this is very important belief in speaking and listening point of view. In this belief, we will discuss how we will participate in discussions and debates and how are the manners we have to use during discussions and debates, right, to present our own idea with clarity. This is the B lift. Now move to the main topic, but before, I hope you have done your bridging in your class with your classmates. Now look at this. Be a great speaker and how to share ideas in class. It means that how we become, when I say how we, it means that how the students can become good speakers and how to share ideas in the class. What are the manners? Now look at this. Participating in discussion. How we can participate in discussions? First of all, listen carefully to others. This is the first and foremost point. Whenever we participate in discussions, we have to listen others carefully. Do not interrupt while someone is speaking. Yes, once someone is speaking influently, we are not supposed to interrupt that person. Try to understand their ideas first. Then respect all opinions even if you disagree. If in discussion there is a point and that point you are not agree with that point, so don't interrupt, but if you want to disagree, disagree respectfully. Yes, good students are good listeners first. Yes, if you are a good student and if you are a good speaker, so good speakers are a good listeners first. It means that you have to become a good listener first and then you will become a good speaker. These are the points in participating discussions you should keep in mind. Now look at this. If speaking clearly and confidently, these are the points you must keep in mind if you want to speak clearly and confidently in class or in any situation. Speak clearly and loudly enough. Whenever you speak, speak loudly and clearly. Use simple and complete sentences. Don't use any word that is complicated or use any data that is not understandable for others as well as for you. Think before you speak. Yes, whatever you want to speak, you must think before you speak. What are you going to speak? Yes, stay on the topic. Do not go off topic. It means that do not leave the topic and go away for other things. Stay on the topic. Be confident while sharing your ideas. ठीक है जी, right? Now I agree because it means that whenever you agree with this, so I agree because mean you have to give the reason why do you agree with that idea. My idea is, so politely you can say and using good words, my idea is this, right? Now look at this. Now let's move with the my idea. Reason number one, reason number two, and then example. It means my idea, give the reason, and then my idea, give the reason, and then example, so that your listeners can understand what is your idea. Sharing ideas with reasons is the most effective if you want to become a good speaker. Share your own ideas clearly. Give reasons or examples to support your opinion. Yes, speak in an organized way, start, middle, and end. It means that proper sentences. Clear thinking leads to clear speaking. Yes, if your thinking is clear, what are you going to say? Then you, what leads you clear speaking. Good speakers are also good listeners. So this is a process. Whenever you present your idea, prove your ideas with at least two reasons and then put an example of your idea so that your listener can understand easily. Now, tips for good debate. If you are good debater, if you want to become a good debater, these are the reasons. Respect others' opinions. First of all, do not argue loudly or rudely. Stay calm and polite. Practice makes you a better speaker. Look at this. First of all, give respects. You have clear ideas. Yes, clear ideas, and then you have confidence, and confidence will come automatically if you give respect and you have clear ideas. Calm and polite. If you have all these qualities, you become a confident speaker. It means that don't loud or rude with anyone in discussions. Step 3, rule for success. Follow the 3 steps to be great student and a great speaker. Number 1, first of all, listen carefully and patiently. Then think what are you going to say and then speak confidently. You will be a good speaker. Yes. Now, I hope you have done your formative check, dear learners, and you have completed your classwork in the class and you have done your homework at your home. In the end, dear learners, I hope you have understood the topic. Take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.